Okay, so the way this works is we have two different characters. We gotta spin this wheel twice. One of them is gonna be one character we draw, and the second one we have to combine that with the first one. So it's gonna be like, Mickey Mouse and Pac-Man. We gotta combine those two somehow. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna do that. And we have a pretty good amount of characters here, but I'm gonna need more. So if you guys have any other character suggestions down in the comment section, just put them down there. It doesn't matter, even if you think they're really silly, because we need a bunch of them, obviously. So yeah, we're gonna do this. I don't know what we're gonna get, but we're gonna do the first one, and the first one's gonna be looks like Beast Boy. Okay, all right, Beast Boy, the first one, and we have for the second character, well, for the second part of the character, Dora the Explorer. Dora the Explorer. All right. I think I have a pretty good basis. So what I'm kind of going for is Beast Boy doesn't look very happy that he has to dress up like Dora. I think that's what I'm doing here. Maybe in my mind, maybe he lost a bet like with Cyborg, and Cyborg made him have to dress up like Dora or something. And Bears, I don't know. Either way, this is what we're going with. I'm enjoying this. All right, I think I really like this. I've added a couple of things, so I have a little price tag here. I have Cyborg laughing in the background, kind of like a Teen Titans Go style, kind of mixing them all together. But I think I'm gonna crop this down here because I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Dora wears booty shorts, and it looks kind of weird to put these little tiny shorts on like somebody that isn't like tiny like Dora. So I think I'm just gonna get that out of the picture because it looks kind of weird, guys. Not gonna lie about it. Yeah, that's much better. All right, so we move on to line art. Oh boy. Alright, this is coming together pretty nicely. I'm enjoying the line art on this piece so far. I'm trying really hard to make this not look like just like Beast Boy just trying to be Dora, and more like he's has to dress up like you know what I mean? Like there's a difference between him just trying to be Dora and then him actually dressing up like, you get the difference, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying really hard to make it appear like he's been forced to dress up like Dora for whatever reason. And I think it's coming together. I like that. I think it's coming together pretty good, actually. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going ahead and putting some final touches on the backpack straps here. This is where we're at the current moment. Looking pretty good. Like I said, a little bit more work to do on the line art. I'm gonna move to color after that, and hopefully everything works out. I'm really enjoying the fact that that this is such a blend of. I'm imagining the blend of the colors here. So Beast Boy is obviously gonna be green, and then Dora's shirt is pink. So I think that's gonna look really good together, the green and the pink. But I guess we'll have to see. So we'll move into color once I'm done with the line art. Just a little bit more left to go. All right, looks pretty good. I like it, but I gotta do the tiny cyborg. But other than that, line art's pretty much done. All right, I think Teen Titans Go Cyborg is done. Yeah, looks cute, nice and cute. The great thing about Teen Titans, by the way, is that the real Teen Titans is, dark and nice and whatever, and then Teen Titans Go is like funny. Two completely different shows. So I wanted to kind of do both of them. I don't know why, even though this is just supposed to be Beast Boy. I feel like I kind of had to do something, to make this like make sense instead of it just being Beast Boy dressed up as Dora. So I'm just gonna do these ha-ha-ha's real quick. But yeah, we're gonna move on to color. So Beast Boy's like a nice like greenish color, like that, right? Oh wait, no, that's not right. There we go. All right, so he's like a nice greenish color, kind of like that, right? Yeah, that's pretty good. I like that color. That's a nice color. And then his stomach as well. There we go. Yeah, and then his ears. Can't forget the ears. 100%. And then let's do his eyes. Let's do his eyes as not solid white. We'll do the white portions right there and there. And let's like a little tiny bit of yellow in there, just a little bit. Yeah, there we go. And the tooth as well. And then maybe we'll do. Actually, you know what? I kind of want to do solid white. To be honest with you, I take that back. I want to make it solid white, which I never do, because you can't really shade that. But since it's the style that I'm doing today, I really want that to be solid white. And then Dora's shirt. Let me bring up Dora real quick. Yeah, Dora's shirt is like pink. So a little bit of pink like this, right? And then, boom. Wait, come on. Hello? Oh, I'm gonna show him the white. And then boom. Look at that. Nice cardinal pink. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, not the backpack. And then there we go. And then the shorts are like orange. She's wearing like sherbet clothes. Like, what's happening here, Dora? What's going on? What happened to her personal stylist? I don't understand what happened there. It's just weird. She has like strawberry shirt, orange pants, and then like grape backpack. I don't know what's going on here. Like, apparently Nickelodeon was just hungry that day when Dora was designed. I don't understand. And then the weird thing is like the straps of the backpack are lighter purple than the actual backpack is. So that's even more weird. I forgot to do the collar, which the collar doesn't actually look like this. It's just a regular collar on her shirt, but I wanted to do something a little different. And then the bracelet that she always wears is yellow. So there we go. The little yellow balls there. Perfect. Okay, well this definitely looks like Dora. And then of course you guys know her hair is blue. No, I'm joking. Imagine if Dora's hair was blue. That'd be really weird. Alright, and then we do the brown for the hair. And that looks like Dora. That looks like Beast Boy Dora to me. Like, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It looks like he's very unhappy. This is great. Okay, this is working out like I wanted it to. Alright, and I kind of did Cyborg up a little bit. I think I'm going to make it, because his eye is red, right? I think one of Cyborg's eyes is red. I'm pretty sure it's the one that's in the Cyborg stuff, which would make sense. So we're going to just actually erase the, actually no, I'm not. I'm going to select it, and I'm just going to colorize it. I'm going to colorize this portion, which is filter, adjust, HSV, might as well, and then colorize, brighten it, saturate it, and we got a red eyeball. Look at that. There we go. Actually, that's not a very good color, red. Hold on. Let me change that real quick. And hue. There we go. Awesome. Cool. All right. So that is our Cyborg as well. Oh, yeah. It looks good. Looks good. Okay. Cool. I want to do a little tiny bit of shading, and then we'll do like a simple background, and then we're going to be done with this one. All right. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just putting down a couple of areas where I think there would be like some contact shadows, because I don't like really shading things because it's just not really my style. So it's just like very minimal, as you can see. It kind of brings it to life a little. I forgot to do the tag. It just kind of brings it to life a little bit. But yeah, I like that quite a bit. That was really cool. I enjoyed that. Hope you guys enjoyed it as well. This is This is the first of hopefully many more of these, because this is quite a bit of fun. Like I said, we have quite a few other names here, and like I said, leave more. It doesn't have to be a cartoon character. It could be any character. It could be like Harry Potter or something. I'm gonna add that one, so don't say that one. But it doesn't matter if it's already up there. If it's already up there, then that's fine. But just like leave some down in the comments below of some things that we could maybe do some combinations with. This is Dora and Beast Boy, guys, or actually Beast Boy and Dora rather. But yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one, but until then, bye-bye.